Змея ползет. The snake. And the birds go around. I don't afraid of snake. What the birds looking to do? Wow. Yeah, this is a snake. I saw her in the morning when I take the garbage out. And this is the bird. Keep looking. So snake decided go from the driveway to the green. And you walk and you don't even see her, and it's right next to the entry of the house when I put it garbage outside. Oh gosh. Okay, so she's hiding in the grass and the birds just fly away. This is my morning. Valentina live from Florida. Someplace here. This is snake. We have here bougainvillea blooming right now. Pyrgoia. This is pink one. We have also white one. It's a spring summer flowers. And it smells very sweet. Wish everybody a fantastical day. Live from Palm Beach.